Hi, I'm Jordan Baton from Limit State, and today I'll be explaining how to install Peregrine, the structural optimization plugin for Grasshopper. Firstly, you will need to either create a Food for Rhino account or log into your Food for Rhino account and then download the Peregrine plugin. Once this download has completed, you will want to click on the download file and allow the installer to make changes to your device. Click Next. Read and accept the terms and agreements in the licensing agreement. Click Next. Select a location for the plugin to be saved. It is recommended that the default location within the Rhino 7 plugins folder is selected. Click Next and Next again. Peregrine will now install. Click Finish once complete. You may need to restart your computer now. Peregrine can now be used within Grasshopper. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit our website.